If you rent your home in Charlotte and something does not feel safe, healthy, or livable, it can be hard to know where to start. This video walks through a few basic steps renters can take: when to contact your landlord, how to keep records, when to call 311, and where to find more help.
The Minimum Housing Code is Charlotte's basic safety standard for rental homes. It helps make sure renters have a safe and healthy place to live. It can cover issues like no heat during cold months, no running water, unsafe electrical or plumbing problems, broken smoke alarms or carbon monoxide alarms, unsafe stairs, floors, walls or roofs, windows or locks that do not work, and some pest issues caused by the condition of the home. The code does not cover everything. It does not cover appliances like refrigerators or washers, cosmetic issues, or disagreements about rent or your lease. Mold by itself is not a minimum housing code violation, but underlying causes such as leaks or moisture intrusion may be something an inspector can look at. If you're not sure whether your issue is covered, call 311 and ask.
If something is wrong in your rental home, start by contacting your landlord or property manager. When you can, put your request in writing. That can be a text, email, letter, or online maintenance request. Be clear about what is wrong, where it is happening, and when it started. You can also ask when the repair is expected to be completed. Then keep records. Save your text and emails, photos, or videos of the problem, repair receipts, and notes from phone calls. Writing down dates can help too. When did the problem start? When did you contact your landlord? Did anyone respond? Did anyone come out to look at it? You do not need anything complicated. A folder on your phone or a notebook can help you keep everything in one place.
If the repairs are not made, Charlotte renters can call 311 and ask for a housing inspection. An inspector can check the home for minimum housing code violations. If violations are found, the property owner is notified and given a timeline to make repairs. That timeline depends on the type and the seriousness of the issue. Some issues may require faster action, and others may take more time. Calling 311 does not mean every issue will be a code violation, but it can help connect you to the right process. If you live in Charlotte, call 311 or 704-336-7600. If you live outside of Charlotte city limits, but still in Mecklenburg County, call 980-314-2633. Certain dangerous problems need to be addressed quickly. After an inspection confirms certain dangerous violations, the owner is generally required to make repairs within 48 hours. Examples can include no heat in the winter, no running water, unsafe wiring, a broken smoke alarm, a broken entry door lock, or dangerous structural damage. These are considered emergency safety issues. If you are not sure whether your situation qualifies, call 311 and ask. This is important. Do not stop paying rent without getting legal advice first. In North Carolina, withholding rent can put you at risk of eviction, even when you're dealing with repair problems. Keep paying rent, keep your records, and contact a lawyer or legal aid before making any decision about withholding rent.
Charlotte's Fair Housing Ordinance prohibits discrimination and protects individuals and families when renting and buying or financing a home. Renters also have rights related to safe housing, retaliation, landlord entry, illegal lockouts, and security deposits. While some of these issues are outside the scope of the code inspection process, help is available. Charlotte-Mecklenburg Community Relations offers mediation services and can assist you with fair housing concerns. You can reach our department at 704-336-2424. The Renter's Handbook is a great resource because it explains these topics in more detail and includes additional resources.
If something is wrong in your rental home, you do not have to figure it out alone. Document the issue. Contact your landlord or property manager. Call 311 if the problem is not resolved. Learn your rights, keep records, and ask for help when you need it.